Alright, we got the Hero GoPro. What happened was it wasn't charging. Or it would show a full charge, but then when you went to turn it on, it would turn right off. So the battery inside wasn't charging. Simple, easy fix. Just pop the back off. And this is sort of, I think it's double face tape, or it might just be some glue. I had already taken it off. Glued down. This goes. There's a little slot in here where this goes into. I'm gonna try and get it on camera, but I doubt it. The lighting is not the greatest, but there's a little spot where this connector goes. There's a female receiver. Maybe that's it. Well, it's actually down here, but anyway, you'll see it. My best advice is to get some needle nose, but the bent needle nose. Wait, I have. There you go. Yeah, sort of precision you can call them, but it fits perfectly in there. You get in there, you yank it out, and the same reverse to put it in. This is the battery. It's a 3.8, I think, volts. The Amazon, I got this battery. I'll put the link in the description, and it's $13.29 free shipping. Yeah, $13.29. Anyway, that's it. You know, you get the new battery in, you charge it up. I have to say, this battery lasts quite a while. I think this is about maybe 3 years old. Definitely 2, maybe 3. I don't know if no, this might be older, because I think I had this when I went to California. You know, the bad I had the original Hero. The problem with these is you can't take it out, or I don't think you can, out of this case. So if the lens here, this outer lens, gets scratched, I'm not sure you'd be able to pull this out. Whereas the old camera, or the original one, and the original one had the pop-out battery, it was so much easier. But the original one, you would put the protective case on if you wanted. If you didn't, if you just wanted the bare camera, you can, you know, just use the bare camera. But if the lens ever went bad, you can easily change the lens. I mean, it wasn't easy. You'd have to use, it was like you had to use a hair blower to get the glue off, but, you know, it could be done. With this, I don't think, if this gets scratched, I don't know if this comes out. I haven't seen any videos on YouTube if it comes out. It may, but I can't see how it would. I don't want to try it, but, you know, I'll fiddle with it and see if it can, or I'll go on YouTube. But anyway, back to the point. Like I said, this battery, $13.29. I'll put the link in the descriptions. That'll be it. I'll put, when I get the battery, I'll put it back in and I'll charge it up and I'll play with it and I'll let you know how it all worked out. Okay.